I keep a clean body. I have clean habits. I eat healthy foods. I exercise. I care for my environment and planet. I abuse no substance or drug. I am strength.
Today, we will have our 14th discussion of the universal law called I am strength. It is one of 11 universal laws of the guiding principles of peace and unity. We will talk about why it is so important to you personally as a Black person, and why it is important for the creation of a true culture of self-love and civilization. Before we discuss the critical importance of I am strength and the guiding principles of peace and unity, we must put this talk into a context. There are 3 areas critical to the success of the Black community in Africa and the African diaspora. They are culture, education, and economics. Generally, Black people have difficulty in these 3 areas because we don't live according to our historical, cultural way of life. Instead, we live according to ideas, beliefs, and behaviors that we've been handed down from slavery and colonialism. We think that our greatest enemies are the racists who attack us psychologically, socially, and physically. But that is not true. Our greatest enemy is in our minds and our hearts. It is the destructive ideas, beliefs, and behaviors passed down to us from slavery and colonialism that we continue to accept and live by today. A simple analogy will help you understand what I mean. You're a little boy or a little girl playing in your yard or in front of your house. But you want to explore. You want to go out inside the yard and onto the sidewalk or outside somewhere else to play. At some point, a bully approaches you. He, she wants to take something from you that you don't want to give, or do something that you don't want to do. You refuse. You get beat up by the bully. You run back into your house for safety. But you want to go outside to play. So you do, and day after day, the same thing happens. Until one day, in your mind, in your heart, you decide. You pick up a rock, a bottle, or a stick. The bully returns. You use the rock, bottle, or stick. Now you can play outside. The bully was not your true enemy. Your true enemy was your wrong ideas and beliefs about who you are and what you can do, about your own strength, weaknesses, and abilities. The real enemy was in your mind and your heart. The bully helped you develop the correct ideas and beliefs about yourself. But we are adults. Racists attack our children, women, and men psychologically, socially, politically, and physically every day. But they are not the real problem. The problem is in our minds and our hearts. We have accepted ideas and beliefs from slavery and colonialism, ideas and beliefs of inferiority, incompetence, weakness, and self-hate. We have internalized the savagery, violence, and deceit of the racists, making them superior when the opposite is actually true. Our history shows us that it's not true. We must restore ideas and beliefs that return us to self-love. We must restore the ideas, beliefs, and behaviors that we use to build civilizations that lasted for thousands of years. If you care about the children, women, and men of Black communities, You will use labor, care, and study to make sure that they are at their best. How? Start by tying yourself, your family, and your people to the universal social laws called the guiding principles of peace and unity. I meditate to relax in all situations. I am peace. I bring and keep together the families and communities who live in peace and unity with others. I am unity. I learn how to learn. I am knowledge. I create for myself, my family, and my community. I am power. I obey the laws of my family and community that are in harmony with peace and unity. I am law. I do no harm to my family, other families, or my community. I am protection. I choose the feelings, thoughts, and actions that are in harmony with the principles of peace and unity. I am control. I have fun and work with my family and my community. I am cooperation and harmony. I am careful about what I believe. I accept ideas and beliefs that are in harmony with these guiding principles. I am correct ideas and beliefs. With all my heart, I take care of my family, other families, and communities that are living according to the principles of peace and unity. I am devotion. I keep a clean body. I have clean habits. I eat healthy food. I exercise. I care for my environment and planet. I abuse no substance or drug. I am strength. You may be saying to yourself, what are you talking about? What are these laws? We're not in Africa, and we're certainly not in ancient Africa. You are correct. But the power of these universal laws is that they are true no matter the time, no matter the place, no matter who. These universal laws apply to all, but you have been chosen to bring them to the world, but only if you live them. Think about the universal laws that you've heard. What kind of person would say, well, we don't need such laws? What kind of person would say he or she does not want to cultivate such characteristics within himself or herself? Look around at black people. Look at us. Can you honestly say that we would not be healthier, more materially prosperous, and socially cohesive if we lived according to these universal laws? These laws represent what it really meant to be a black person in the past. Being black was not simply the color of your skin. Being black was about the way you think, the way you look at life, and how you move through life. What does it mean to be black today in our current conditions? Almost everything you see about being black today was created by ideas, beliefs, and behaviors from slavery and colonialism, or some adaptation to them. The destruction and injury that they cause is bad enough. What is worse is that we refuse to let these ideas, beliefs, and behaviors go. As a result, we are embracing a way of life that is destroying us. The same way of life that is destroying the world in general. Now, we are talking about creating a culture of self-love to combat this destruction. So let's define self-love. The 11 laws of the guiding principles of peace and unity are not just laws that are outside of you or used to control you. These laws are you. They represent fundamental human needs and urges that we all are drawn to accomplish and experience. They are what you were when you came here as a baby born naked. But you were not taught this because your people lost their way of life. So you have been trying to manifest the qualities of these laws and live this way of life without knowing how. That is how you lost self-love. The universal laws of the guiding principles of peace and unity, and its premise, do good, do no harm, will strengthen you, uplift you, and develop within you self-love. But you must examine them, practice them, live them, and use them to build a new way of life for you and those you care about. By rebuilding yourself and your culture based on these universal laws, you will revive self-love, bring order, purification, and health and progress to yourself and to Black communities. Such a culture will, 1, prepare you for life. 2, foster your growth. 3, improve you as a person and as a community. 4, help you solve problems. You can always download a copy of all the guiding principles of peace and unity and their violations at our website, thegppu.org. I'm going to use the universal law called I am strength as an example and as an opportunity for you. Your physical body and your health is the most important material resource you have in life. It is the earthly foundation of your emotional, mental, and physical stability and success. Let's look at it. The law says, I keep a clean body. I have clean habits. I eat healthy foods. I exercise. I care for my environment and planet. I abuse no substance or drug. Now, every universal law has its violations. So the violations of I am strength are polluting the environment, destroying habitats, wasting natural resources, distributing and selling foods that cause poor health and disease, taking substances that cause poor health and disease, taking substances that cause addiction. I am strength says that what you put into your body and what you do with your body affects your thoughts, emotions, and sensations, and they in turn affect your actions, which create the quality of your life and your future. Taking care of your body and its health is the most concrete form of self-love. That is logical, right? Taking care of your body is the most concrete form of self-love. So, that is what I Am Strength asks you to do. You must do everything possible to take care of and be responsible for our own bodies. We cannot depend only on doctors to take care of us. To assist you in this understanding, what you must do to live I Am Strength, we have created a document called the Health Pyramid. Along with our I Am Strength videos, it will show you what behaviors health science says will care for your health. You can download the Health Pyramid at our website, thegppu.org, in the resources section. Please be aware, we are not doctors and don't provide medical advice. We are teachers. The information you see here or on our website is based on research and is strictly educational. Please do your own research and consult your own doctors and medical professionals before implementing anything that you see on this website or in our videos. Now, to help you with I Am Strength, you are invited to attend an I Am Strength workshop with Dr. Michelle Gamble, a licensed naturopath. She has been helping people heal themselves for 21 years. Now, this is a free webinar, so just watch, listen, and consult your doctor. The links are in the description. The webinar starts on May the 26th, so you can register. Until we meet again, do good, do no harm.